He's kind of fat. He's fat. He's fed maybe. Real good.
And then you got Donkey over here.
Oh. Hi, you're so cute. Oh my god!
You're a lucky cat, man. Oh yeah.
Scratchy, scratch.
Oh my god.
Wow.
This pigeon wanted to go on a plane ride.
You're gonna fall off. You're so dumb. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hey, buddy. How? What? Oh. You're an ass.
This dog loves to watch horse racing. She was crying, and instead of helping her, her cat decided to judge her.
What are you doing? Stop, Jerry. That is so rude. Look at him. Oh my.
It started to rain, so they all ran inside.
Oh my god, gunk bird, go fly. So close, we're here. There's the gunk. Oh.
Give me the best screen. Whoever got the best screen. You are. I got you right here.
Right here, do right here.
Move her ear, move her ear.
Right here with my fingers up.
Her earbud.
This dog was upset because they got rejected.
Dale.
Have you ever seen a cow that looks like The Rock?
Hello?
What's up, dude? Aww. He's shy.
This chipmunk just found out that he's famous.
I just wanted to tell you that you have over 6,000 followers. What do you think? Squid? You okay?
Hola, con permiso. Yeah, me voy, no.
This squirrel looks chubby enough to hibernate for 2 winters straight.
Look at this fat, giant, morbidly obese squirrel. What are you doing?
This cat tried out cold water for the very first time.
Do you have something? Do you have something to say?
I think this pigeon is about to explode.
Where are you going? Why are you approaching me? Can you not? Sir, can I? What the f?
I have never seen a goat get so scared of falling off a 2-inch cliff.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Oh!
Imagine being this dumb and gullible. These baby birds got scared after seeing a butterfly for the very first time.
Splish splash, we were taking a bath.
No!
This confused bird started doing a mating dance with her foot.
Don't you hit that table. Don't hit the table.
This poor donkey was self-conscious about how he looked on camera.
What you see in the mirror is just your perception, okay? It doesn't have to be like that. Other people see you differently. Don't take it to heart. And also, the camera adds £10, apparently.
Anyone else ever just take their pet catfish out for a walk when it floods?
Come here, you want a treat? You want a treat? Come here.
This is what a snoring porcupine sounds like.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.